Welcome to SYAI. Master your glucose management routine with a mini, real-time continuous glucose monitor. Introducing SYAI Tag. Now, let me walk you through these very simple steps of wearing a tag. Your SYAI glucose monitor kit comes with a packaged applicator and a user manual. Please read the user manual carefully before unpacking the product. Take out the applicator from its packaging and be noted, the glucose monitor is already packed inside the applicator. You will need the applicator to apply the monitor to your body application site. Before application, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. We recommend the rear of your upper arm as the application site. Avoid areas with scars, moles, stretch marks, or lumps. Clean the site with an alcohol wipe and let it dry completely. This helps stabilize the monitor on the skin surface. Remove the bottom cover of the applicator by rotating it counterclockwise. Break off the safety structure. Be aware not to press down the button under the safety structure yet. Place the applicator firmly against the chosen application site. Press the button on the top to insert the monitor, and then gently pull away the applicator. The monitor should now be attached to the skin. Gently press the tape around the edge of the monitor to attach it firmly to the skin. A Nova patch is bundled with your instructions in the box. To help you keep the monitor on, carefully pull off the top half of the white liner. Please don't touch the adhesive area. Use the collar tab to place the overpatch on the monitor. Finally, use the tab to peel off the clear liner. Rub around the overpatch. Tap the start button. Place the rear of your mobile phone near the monitor. Wait for NFC to activate the monitor. You may need to adjust the position of the mobile phone to make sure your phone NFC is right next to the monitor. Wait for Bluetooth to connect. Now your monitor has been activated. It will take 30 minutes to warm up, and you will receive a notification on your phone once it's ready. Once your monitor has been applied for 14 days, or after clicking the End My Session button, the monitoring session will be terminated, and you can now safely remove the monitor from your skin. Simply lift a corner of the adhesive on the edge of the monitor and slowly pull away from your skin. Dispose the used monitor properly according to local legislation for medical and electronic devices. Congratulations! You have finished your first session with SYAI Tag. You may now go to the report section on the profile page and obtain a professional 14-day glucose data analysis report. If you have any questions, please consult your doctor or healthcare professionals for help. Try SYAI Tag. Let insight begin with a simple click.